Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install the VirtualBox on MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now simply we need to search here. I'm gonna write the virtual. So let's write the virtual box, and now simply I'm gonna press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, this is the official site of the VirtualBox. So we need to click on this. So let's click on it. And after clicking on this, as you can see, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, here's the button for the download VirtualBox 7.0. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, all the versions are provided here, like the platform packages. If you are using a Windows, then you have to click on this. If you are using a Mac OS, Linux, and all the operating systems are provided here. For example, we are using the Mac OS Intel hosted, so we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, the downloading process will be started. So as you can see, the downloading process has been started. Now it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the fast result. And after the completion of downloading process, you can install this and use it on your MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the VirtualBox on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.